Welcome to our in-depth exploration of accelerated experiential dynamic psychotherapy, or AEDP. This transformative therapeutic approach is rapidly gaining attention for its unique way of fostering deep emotional healing and personal growth. Today, we're going to dive into what AEDP is, how it works, and the profound impact it can have on emotional healing. AEDP is a relatively new form of therapy that focuses on the untapped potential for resilience, healing, and transformation within us all. It's based on the idea that deep and lasting change can occur through the process of experientially accessing and exploring difficult emotional and relational experiences. The core philosophy of AEDP revolves around the belief that humans are wired for healing and growth. This therapy taps into this innate potential by creating a safe, empathic, and validating therapeutic relationship. Here, clients are encouraged to explore and express their deepest emotions. One of the key elements of AEDP is its focus on experiential work. This means that instead of just talking about experiences, clients are guided to actively experience their emotions in the present moment. The therapist helps the client to process and integrate these emotional experiences, leading to transformative healing. Another important aspect of AEDP is the emphasis on dyadic repair. This involves addressing and healing from relational traumas and attachment injuries. The therapist and client work together to explore past relational dynamics and how they impact the client's current emotional world. AEDP is also known for its metaprocessing technique, where clients reflect on the changes occurring within them during therapy. This reflection enhances the client's awareness and integration of these changes, contributing to their personal growth and emotional resilience. Furthermore, AEDP utilizes transformational theory, which posits that once a painful or traumatic experience is fully processed, it leads to profound positive change. This change is not just about symptom relief. It's about experiencing oneself and the world in a more open, compassionate, and connected way. AEDP is especially effective for individuals dealing with trauma, anxiety, depression, and attachment disorders. It's a therapy that not only focuses on alleviating distress, but also on fostering strength, self-compassion, and a greater capacity for joy and fulfillment. In conclusion, accelerated experiential dynamic psychotherapy offers a dynamic and profound approach to psychological healing. It's a journey that goes beyond traditional talking therapies, engaging the heart and mind in a transformative emotional process. Thank you for joining us in exploring the world of AEDP. If you're intrigued by the latest developments in psychotherapy and emotional healing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.